A tiny implant is saving people's sight. Doctors are implanting a stent to fix the eyes of glaucoma patients. It's also helping those patients save money and time.
If I can have you come on forward, rest your chin.
Inside Jackie Potter's eyes
And look up.
are tiny stents hard at work,
And down.
keeping her from losing her sight.
Okay, straight ahead now.
The eye pressure was getting
To your
higher. Then I started having eye pain, so I knew I needed to do something about it.
And look up.
Jackie is one of about 3 million Americans who have glaucoma, a disease that, if left untreated, can lead to blindness. Patients typically use eye drops, sometimes up to 4 times a day, to keep the eye pressure down and reduce the risk of vision loss.
Thanks. You can sit back and relax.
It was like $160-something for this tiny little thing that lasted not even a month, and it didn't feel comfortable to my eye, and it's inconvenient having to do that twice a day.
So Dr. Anthony Evangelista inserted a device called an iStent, the smallest medical device known to be implanted inside the human body. It goes into the part of the eye where fluid builds up and creates pressure.
We replace this tiny device within the meshwork, and it facilitates the outflow of the fluid through the meshwork to help to lower their pressure. So if we're able to successfully implant the iStent during the cataract surgery, about 70% of patients can reduce or maybe even eliminate their need for eye drops.
It can only be implanted during cataract surgery. Jackie had her procedure done about 4 months ago.
And he completely took me off all my eye drops, which was great. I said, thank you, thank you.
Her pressures went from 32 down to about 16, which was fantastic. And we've been able to maintain that pressure off of her eye drops, so she's ecstatic with the outcome. Just try and look straight ahead.
I'm very grateful, very thankful that I had this procedure done.
And says she's even more thrilled about living with her vision intact.
Fantastic.
Dr. Evangelista says most health insurance companies will cover the cost of the iStent.